Hey Paul P, how you doing? I'm away in Magaluf, mate. Can you upload my YouTube video Friday? Cheers, bye.
Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? Back once again, this time with a product review. Because I'm so anal about the cleanliness of my car, I'm going to show you a new product I found. This is it. It's footprint remover for flies for minis. Let me just get this area taped up on the window and I'll show you how well it works. So here I am. I've masked up the area of this window here so I can show you how this new product works. They come in really handy little sections that you can just pull off and you just wipe it like that. And hey presto, all the flies' footprints have gone.